Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you are fine with the blessings of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today our topic is where. Where means kahan. Today we will read answer questions. So first question is, where is the white cat? सफ़ेद बिल्ली कहाँ है? Look at the picture. White cat is on the table. So the answer is, it is on the table. Next question is, where is the milk? दूध कहाँ है? Look at the picture. The milk is on the floor. So the answer is, it is on the floor. Third question is, where is the black dog? काला कुत्ता कहाँ है? Look at the picture. The black dog is on the floor. So the answer is, it is on the floor. Last question is, where is the white dog? सफ़ेद कुत्ता कहाँ है? Look at the picture. It is on the chair. So the answer is, it is on the chair. Okay students, it's our today lesson. Hope so you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.